miles northeast of Echo to 8 miles northwest of Wabasso to 5 miles northeast of Walnut Grove, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near. Sacred Heart around 5:05 p.m. Echo around 5:10 p.m. Grenville around 5:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Redwood Falls, Olivia, and Morton. The tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central, southwestern, and west central Minnesota. Remain alert for reports. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spawn a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce great tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.